God, I don't know what's going on, but the sun is definitely beaming these days and it's so freaking hot, y'all.
Let's get ready to rumble!
What is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is TAKARAONEA, or you can call me T. It is whichever one that you would prefer to call me. Have y'all ever tried out this Lipton Southern Sweet Tea? It's super good. You should definitely try it out. Not my granny sweet tea, not McDonald's sweet tea, but it's hitting. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a continuous Goodwill thrift haul. The last thrift haul I did was a $29 Goodwill thrift haul, or under $30 Goodwill thrift haul. But in this continuous haul, this one is going to be a little bit more. This is a $72 thrift haul. I believe I spent $72 at this thrift this go around. Please do keep in mind, you guys, that everything that you guys see in these thrift hauls are going to be available on timelesstakara.com. They will be up on the site for you guys to shop, because this is basically inventory. So if you do see something within these hauls that you like, that I say that I'm not keeping for myself, then it is available for purchase if it is in your size or family members or whatever. So yeah, this is the bag right here. This is probably a little over $72 because I went another go around and got a couple like little like accessories and stuff too, so I just put that one in this haul. And the next Goodwill haul that I'll have coming out next, you're gonna want to make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that way you don't miss it when I upload it. Is going to be my $84 thrift haul, because it was time for me to re-up on my inventory, so I kind of went ham with the sourcing and thrifting. I feel like there's even a few more things that I need to get, because I really need to source a little bit more for the men's and the kids. But yeah, for now we're going to go through this bag and see what goodies are inside. Y'all already know on this channel I love to talk about sustainable fashion, and inflation is not going anywhere anytime soon, a recession, whatever you want to call it. And I just feel like right now is the perfect way to thrift and to start your sustainable and timeless wardrobe and save a lot of coin and look good on a budget. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into what's in this bag. I don't have the receipt. I don't know where the receipt, I had all the receipts saved, and I don't know what happened to this particular receipt, but I am gonna read off the prices on everything. So this, I don't know why I got this. This hat gave me like Beyonce, so I think that's why I picked it up. It's just like different. I feel like I would use this for like photo shoots or if I just want to have like some type of statement piece. This was $5, but I really like the embellishment on it. It kind of looks like maybe something like a grandmother wore to like church or something, but I got Beyonce vibes out of this thing. I don't know how I'm gonna make this work, but I thought it would be super cute with my hair. I don't want to mess my hair up. I don't know why it has this little thing, but I wanted to do something really cool with this. I think if I had like a part in the middle and I was wearing it, it would be super cute. It just gives me like queen, like warrior queen vibes. It definitely is giving off that Beyonce vibe, so that's why I picked it up. And then I got these little straw hats, which I thought would be cute for this summer. This one was $2.50. I feel like I need to have my hair parted down the middle when it comes to these looks, but I will wear it like backwards. And then I got one in red, which I thought was cute. But yeah, this is something that I would wear like to the back, like not just sitting up front like, hey, how you doing? Like, no, that looks goofy. But so next I got this belt, and I'm thinking I might keep this belt for myself, but I am going to have a like mystery style box. But I do have a mystery style box option on the website, where if you just want me to personal shop for accessories, like really vintagey cool statement accessories, then I do have that option on the website. So I did get this belt. I'm debating on if I'm gonna sell it or keep it for myself. It was only $1.50. I don't have a blue belt, and I really like how it has the gold hardware on it, so I don't know, I might just keep this one for myself. And it has like a linen-y type of like material on it, so I thought it was very unique. All right, so on to the clothes. In the last haul, I think I told you guys I was kind of like going for like summery like vibes, but I had like two different like vibes going on. You guys gotta go watch the last thrift haul. It was kind of like I had like a tropical type of vibe going on with like more bright colors, and then we have like the tropical vibe going on with more like earthy tone colors. So I still kind of tried to stick to those like two visions in my head for this collection that I wanted to drop on Timeless Takara. So I'm thinking I'm gonna start with like the bright fun colored stuff that I found. So the first thing that I found was, it's like a rib knit it's giving off a really vintage old school vibe. It's like a rib knit tank top, and it has like a little v-neck, but it's really small, really cute, and it has like a little belt right there. Not a functional belt, but it's just like a little detailing right there. And I thought this was super cute, and it's a tank top you can wear in the summer. This looks like it's like an extra small, and I paid $4.49 for this. I mean $4.99 for that. I got these are so cute and like trendy. They are these like zebra print pants, which I thought were super cute. I wish I can actually fit these, but they're kind of like a capri type fit, which I thought it's like a crop fit. These are by the brand Ingredients, and these are a size 4. They are 97% cotton, which is good, and 3% spandex. I wish I can fit them. They were $5.49. They're a little bit big. They're a size 4. I'm more of like a 02. I found this super cute dress, which I'm debating on if I'm gonna keep for myself, but it just has this like super cute print on it. It looks like it's really fitted. It's by the brand Vince Camuto, and it's a size small, and I just love all the like fun prints and colors on it. And I feel like you can even pair something on the bottom if you wanted to make it into like a top, or pair something on the top if you wanted to make it into like a skirt, because it's so fitted, but it's still like that fun print, so you can add like a solid to it. So super cute. This was only $6.99. I actually found this. I wouldn't have picked this up if I knew it was Rue 21, because I don't shop at Rue 21, but I might end up just keeping this in my wardrobe because I had already picked it up. But I don't want to put it in the vintage shop because it's not technically like vintage. It's Rue 21. This is an extra large actually, but it's another little rib knit tank top with a high neck, and it does kind of give off that vintage vibe. But yeah, vintagey modern vibe. But I'll probably end up keeping this in my wardrobe. Super cute. This was $4.99. And I found these pants. I'm debating on if I want to keep these. I'm gonna see what they look like once I wash them and I like bleach them out. But they're just like a white, I don't even know, I would say like cotton pant, and I believe they're like a size small. Look like a 02. They do have these like cool little beads on the bottom, which I thought was cute, so that's why I picked them up. These were $5.49, but I don't know, I'm gonna have to see what they look like once I wash them. I got this little top, and I think I showed you guys the skirt that I got to go with this top. This one is a size small, and I really like that it's like off the shoulder, and I feel like you can wear it with like some white fitted trousers or like a really cute white skirt. Really cute off the shoulder and like flared sleeve. Okay, so I don't remember if I showed this skirt in the last haul, but it's this Eva Mendes New York & Company skirt. It's a size medium. It has like that rib knit look on it as well. Then it has like this like flared type of bottom, like bell bottom going on at the bottom of the skirt, which I think is really cute. And I thought that would be a good pair with this shirt, so that's why I got it. So that was super cute. I got this super cute top, and it's like an orange top. I've seen 2 of these, but I like this one better. It was more vibrant, and this is by the brand Kim Rogers. This is a size small, and what I really like about it is it has like this like unique kind of like texture on it, and I just thought it was super cute. You can like tuck it into like a skirt or something. So this was $4.99. You can find so much cute stuff in the thrift, y'all. And so I thought this skirt would be cute to pair back with this shirt. This was $5.49, a size 14, but you can definitely if you're smaller, you can hack this out, do like some type of hack. But it's just like a really cute like tropical print like maxi skirt, and I just thought it was super cute. You can definitely dress this up with like some jewelry and stuff, and it would just be. Then I found this bathing suit. I honestly didn't even realize that I picked this up, but it does not have like the bra size on it. So luckily I used to work at Victoria's Secret, so I can do like try to measure it out and see what this bra size is. But it's basically just like a little bathing suit. It does have cuffs in it, and I feel like this can not only just be worn as a bathing suit, it can be worn as like a bodysuit with maybe like even like this white skirt back with it, or there's so many different ways you can style it, or with just like a pair of jeans. But you can definitely get a 2-in-1 out of this bathing suit. So that is what it looks like, and again it has this cute like tropical print on it, and it's more of like a shorts bottom too as well. So, but you still, like I said, can wear it as a bodysuit. So this is $7.49, and it looks like it could be like a size large, but I definitely got to figure out the exact bra size. I'm going to put it on the website. Cute little tank top. I was debating on if I was going to keep it for myself. It is a size small. It's again another just like cute little zebra print tank top. Looks like this. Really like slinky or whatever. And this one was only $2.99. So super cute, and it does have adjustable adjustable straps on it as well. So next we have this cute like maxi dress. And yeah, and it looks like this is by the brand Choices. I really like this. This is more of like the earthy tone print that I was talking about. Next we have another little outfit set. These are these like yellow pants. They look like this. This is super cute. These can also be cute for fall as well. Size 14, and I paid $5.49 for these. I thought that these would be cute paired back with this like another tropical print like Hawaiian shirt that I found. I was just telling you guys like in the last haul that these tops are trendy right now, and I thought this was cute, and this would even be cute if you even cropped it a little bit more. So that is what this one looks like. Y'all, that is a heart in the background if y'all hear her talking. And this one is a size medium, and this is so cute. I can't wait to style it. $4.99. Next I found this other outfit, which I didn't even know like came with like this little top portion, but this I'm probably most likely going to be keeping for myself. As you guys can tell, I love like the kind of like vintage Versace inspired vibes, but this is like this Versace inspired skirt, and it looks like this. It just has that like super cute like gold print on it, and it's like a burgundy print. I really like this. It's a size 8, so I'm gonna see how it looks and if I can like fit it to my size. It was only $5.49. I only thought it came with the skirt, but then when I opened it up, it has like this, basically like this like other portion of it, so I can basically make it maybe into like a wrap top, or like even like maybe like put this over my head. I don't want to put it on my head right now because I gotta wash it, but I just thought that was super cool. So I really got a 2-in-1 outfit for $5.49. Two more things for you guys before we end up this haul. So I did find some more accessories, which I thought this was so cool. Now I am gonna be keeping this belt for myself if I can fit it, but this is so freaking cute. I like to make sure I get a lot of accessories for when I'm like styling every piece on Timeless Takara. But it's just like this really like cool, so it has gold embellishment on it, and then it has that snake skin print, but it has like that really nice good quality hardware, kind of like cowboy western vibes, and I really just love that. So this is going to be really cute to like cinch things at the waist and like wear with jeans or shorts. So I'm obsessed. This was only $1.50. Literally have some boots that match back with that, so that's going to be super cute. And then last but not least, I got this little top for the kitties. I was debating on if I was going to keep it for Zahara. It's just like a little top that I thought would match back with some of the stuff that I got. It's a size 4T. This was only $2.99, but I just thought this was like a cute fun little top, so I picked it up because it was like the only thing I seen in the kids section that was actually like worthy of getting, so I got it and it was super cute. So that is it, you guys. That concludes my $72 real regular Goodwill haul, because the last haul was the last chance Goodwill, and this was just me going into the regular Goodwill, and that is literally all I got out of the regular Goodwill. I got way more good stuff out of the last chance Goodwill for so much less amount for such a cheaper price. So yeah, I will definitely be going to last chance Goodwill more. I mean, the regular Goodwills have good stuff too, but I would rather just save my money and get more. But yeah, that is literally it for this haul, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for my next Goodwill haul, which is going to be my $82 Goodwill haul. We'll see if we got some better stuff in there. Drop in the comments your favorite thrift stores to shop at in your area. We want to know some good ones, and or where you live at, and if your thrift stores have any good stuff in your Goodwills. Give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more sustainable fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos here on this channel. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul, and until next time, I will see you at the top. Peace. Y'all should see Zahara right now. She's literally wearing this red straw hat on top of her head. Like, girl, hey, I should move the T to do the thumbnail. I'd probably be smart. I'm burning up. I have lights on. The sun is like beaming. I had to turn the fan off because I didn't want y'all to hear the fan, and I'm scorchy. I really just want to rip off these clothes off. Hey! Okay, I'm literally too hot for this. Hey! Why'd you throw the hat? Huh? I'm so hot.